The whole film is about one night.
Yeah.
So we've shot the whole film in 45 nights. So that's a nightmare that we've lived
That
while
is a
shooting.
nightmare. There's a word that I use in the end. That's a gali for me, but not for her.
It is very difficult
Yeah.
to convince yourself to do something like this.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
If we go to the movies to escape, then more than often than not, we want a film that makes us just laugh. And Dhoom Dham is going to do that for you. It's this year's Valentine's Day release, and I'm sitting with the stars of the film. Thank you so much for joining me today, Pratik and Yami. Welcome to Just to Film Me.
Thank
you so much. Just for you to know, that's how Rohini addressed me in the beginning of the interview off
Hi.
camera. And she said, I'm a baby.
Hi.
That's her. That's what we want in the interview. Not,
Hi.
hi guys, this is really nice. It's a very good film for you. Do give it a watch. Like that.
Dhoom
That
Dham.
vibe. That's
I love
why.
it. But you know, just like looking at you, Yami, okay, you're so endearing. And I feel like the skin also carries with you, right? Because you look at your skin and you're just like, how do I get this Yami Gautam baby skin?
I have the most sensitive skin on this planet.
Sensitive. Okay.
Trust me,
Okay.
more sensitive. I do not have the luxury of going for your facials or trying a
Really?
gazillion. Yeah, no, nothing.
Wow.
So I have a very fixed routine,
Mhm.
which I finally cracked for myself after years,
Well done.
and that's about it.
So maybe that's why I was inspired to baby talk you.
I don't mind that.
You don't mind that?
I don't know.
Who do you baby talk?
My baby. I can say that.
You can say
now.
that. You can say
And my
that.
baby, my little baby, not my hubby baby.
Hubby baby. Hubby baby. And
Yeah.
speaking of people with good skin,
Yeah.
आपकी skin
Look
care
at
routine.
You still want to continue the topic or you want to
I
change?
do want to. What is your skincare routine like?
Nothing actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Kuch to
I'm
लगाते
trying
हैं.
to stick to something
Okay.
and I fail every time. I've
But
tried.
also, I think the kind of roles you just finished shooting for Gandhi,
Gandhi,
and
yeah.
he lost so much weight. So I think it also
Mm.
depends on how hydrated you can be.
Yeah.
At times you're not so
Mm.
hydrated. So I think that's a lot of skin talk. So
That was a lot of fun, guys. Sorry, this was all off camera. Welcome to Just to Film Me. I'm Rotox and I'm sitting with Pratik and Yami. They have a very fun film that's going to be streaming on Netflix starting the 14th of February. It's called Dhoom Dham. And my God, is it the ultimate Valentine's Day watch? Because, हमारी हिंदी फिल्मों में, both of you all would know, कि ये जो शादी की जो पहली रात है, सुहाग रात है, घूंघट उठा रहा हूँ मैं, एक आइडिया हुआ करता था. You guys have come in, taken that first सुहाग रात का idea and destroyed it. How much fun was it for you in this film doing that, guys?
Mad fun. Absolutely mad fun. And the whole film is about one night.
Yeah.
So we've shot the whole film in 45 nights.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's a nightmare that we've lived
that is
while
a
shooting.
nightmare, yeah.
It's a big nightmare that we've lived with.
yeah.
And I mean, because you've seen the film, so you would understand the kind of bizarre situations that this newlywed couple is put in
Correct.
throughout the night
Correct.
is something that I had never imagined.
Never imagined.
Never even imagined, never read anywhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Something like this.
It is a nightmare.
Yeah, it's a nightmare.
And I must say that, as I said, you've taken the Suhag Raat and turned it around on its head. But I thought it'll be a great question to ask both of you, since both of you are married people. Going into a film that starts with the wedding and then goes into the aftermath of that. What is the one definitive memory from your weddings that you remember which was absolutely bizarre? Like, what is bizarre about weddings? Because weddings are bizarre. Like, I remember standing once at a function and wondering, ये आदमी कौन है? Like, और वो सबसे ज़्यादा वक्त वो हमारे साथ स्टेज पे था, and I was like, इसको तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा मेरी लाइफ में. Has that something like that happened to you?
Yeah, most bizarre thing that happened is that after the wedding, there was a reception, same place.
Mm.
So we changed, we came, we were there on stage. People were coming in line and they were, we were getting,
Congratulating.
congratulating and getting photographed.
Mhm.
So initially it happened in a perfect line that one family would come, take photograph, the next family would come. Slowly what happened is that there are some mixed random people getting photographed. So none of the families will be able to take that photograph.
Correct.
कि ये हमारे फैमिली में नहीं है पर ये इस फोटोग्राफ में है फिर कुछ 4 लोग इधर से 4 लोग इधर से
Correct.
आफ्टर फर्स्ट 10 photographs I guess none of the photographs are usable करोगे क्या किसको तुम है
And you're standing there saying ये गलत हो रहा है,
हाँ.
and you can't really get in.
So you
because-
end up managing in your own wedding. कि नहीं, 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट रुक
That's
जाइए,
true.
आप इधर आइए, वैसा हो
That's
जाता
true.
है.
Tell us a bizarre memory from your wedding.
We had 12 family members during our wedding.
I remember
we
that.
got married during COVID, past the second wave. So I don't think there's anything, unfortunately, for this answer. I don't have. I only have beautiful memories because this was the wedding of my dream. Because I've seen so many bizarre things happening while growing up. I mean, especially the food section is and the fact that you identify those groups in every wedding. This is the gossipy group. This is the mean group.
Correct.
This is the emotional group.
Correct.
This is the यार हम लड़के वाले हैं group. This is the अरे भाई और क्या आ रहा है इतने snacks खत्म हो गए and so you identify those, right? Because we've done it all our lives.
Correct.
We both Aditya and I were like, why do we have to follow the stereotypes? The whole idea is to get together, to have our loved ones with us and follow all the traditions. That we did, all the
Correct.
customs and everything. And it was beautiful. It was beautiful.
I'm sorry to say, even though I wasn't there, I felt very much part of it. I loved it. You look
Thanks.
ethereal.
Thank you.
And I do want to talk about two things, one for each of you from this film that you've done perhaps for the first time. One from a script point of view, because we've had the male monologue dominate our landscape for so many years. Actors bane hain un monologues ke dam par. I just feel that the opportunity needs to be given to female actors to be able to do that. And my God, that opportunity was given. And Yami, you were absolutely fantastic. What does having that female monologue do for an actor like you? And what did you bring to it? Because I can watch that scene again and again. And I know that there was no cut, So talk to us about building that scene.
Rohini, only you can bring this question with so much dignity, I think. Even though that was a comparison, but to add dignity to that question, I think that takes a lot of respect. So thank you for
Thank
putting
you. Thank
that
you so much.
in words so sweetly. Yeah, we've had that monologue, and we quite often see that, especially from a male perspective, which is fine, which is absolutely right, and the way I think which was also one of the reasons it worked, because that was first of its kind, where हाँ यार मतलब ऐसे होता है. But then I also remember watching those monologues in the audience where the boys go like हाँ यार, and the girls are like यार मतलब लड़की कुछ नहीं बोलेगी अभी आगे कुछ ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. So could see that little things going a little imbalance in the audience, but of course on the whole of it everybody lauded for all the right reason. I mean that's okay, that's fine, and it's meant to be cinema at the end of the day. It's meant to be enjoyed, it's meant to entertain you and not take things so seriously what they're not meant to be taken. Having said that, I think from writing perspective, again from entertainment perspective, I don't know why it took so long for this to happen. I really
exist?
don't know. So I think credit goes, kudos to Aditya and Arsh for doing that. And this film was written in 2014, and the whole idea was to internalize it, make it conversational, make it today's, make it its coils, and yet she has all the girls. There's a moment where you literally have सब कुछ समा गया आपके अंदर, and you're putting it out there.
Yeah.
And poor Veer, there's a little improvisation we did there. Although you were just discussing before it's little challenging to improvise when it comes to a monologue, because the structure cannot be broken, that flow cannot be disturbed, and it has to be one take. And for me, it has to be the first take. Most of my important monologues, be it from Article 370 or a Thursday, or even that reaction Bala ki mera pati ganja, everything was first take.
Wow.
So there is no chance this would go in any other number. But here, this is the middle of night.
Yes.
And it's almost 2 a.m. in the morning. Peak of आपके वो जो सोने वाला time होता है, but you have to be, but you, of course, you're pepped up, you're charged, and you don't want to break the momentum, and you want to do it right. Do it right in the way that even if no one, the background artist or the crew knows what she's about to say, but they feel it.
Truly.
And so, and I think even he felt it to an extent that we had a little improv ki idhar udhar kya dekh rahi, idhar dekho. So all that was not a part of because he starts looking around. Yes. Log waqai hi are showing me eyes, and
wow.
so like, and I think it just worked. At least we didn't you can never anticipate how it's going to work with the audience. You can only hope for the best. So I'm glad that if,
Congratulations.
it is
And as I said, मौका तो मिले तो
मौका तो मिले, आप लिखो तो सही, हम
बिल्कुल,
करेंगे ना perform.
बिल्कुल. No, it was fantastic. For you, what you did differently for the first time is that तुमने बहुत expose किया है इस फिल्म में प्रतीक गांधी. There's no other way to say it, and I leave
I
all my
like
dignity.
how you said it.
ये सारी dignity मुझे ऐसे ही बोलना था. बहुत expose किया है प्रतीक गांधी ने इस फिल्म में. प्रतीक, jokes apart, I want to. He's still laughing. What am I supposed to do? It's a great premise, you know, to be a man that is for once being looked at from a female gaze, you know, as an object of desire, जहाँ पर पूरा उल्टा हो गया है. Because whenever we've seen Helen G and everybody do it, we've never raised an eyelid. Because ये तो होता ही है. But just putting you there, okay, and making you do fun things, and that Paul, you know, I hope is your friend now. There, I would still want to know that शर्म जो है वो सिर्फ औरतों की जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती, मर्दों को भी शर्म महसूस होती है. How did you have to work? What muscle did you work to feel comfortable in your own skin?
Well, it's a very, very interesting and a very valid question, actually.
Yeah.
Because when I read the script, when I was narrated the script, I said, हाँ ठीक है. But as you start reading it again, as you start visualizing the film and the flow and the situation, and you feel कि नहीं ये ठीक नहीं है, इसमें actual होगा, ये करना पड़ेगा सब. And slowly, and we actually built the whole scene around where Koel is constantly saying that you have to do it.
Yes.
You have to do it. So, matlab Koel is standing in the wings and she's saying, "Oh, remove this."
Yes.
And he is not willing to do it, but he has to do it just to manage the situation.
True.
So, I actually had to make the whole story in my mind that where is Veer coming from?
True.
So, the motivation actually has to be absolutely clear. If the motive is clear, then it has to translate it also that way.
Correct.
Unless it can work differently also. So यही सब थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग में था, and that's how we started doing the thing. In fact, all those moves, all those dance sequences, lot of it were
Akshay Kumar is out of my head. Bye,
I
Akshay
think
Kumar,
he-
Pratik Gandhi.
he killed it. When I saw I was there for the performance, but जब आप edit के बाद देखते हैं, like my God, छोटी-छोटी हरकतें भी,
Yes.
एक कहीं पंख अटक जाता है, जिस तरीके से चप्पल हाँ ओके फेंक रहे हैं, जिस तरह से पोल डांस में अपना पता नहीं कोई फुटवर्क किया है. I mean,
Yeah, but talk to me about, you know, because actors have to be in many ways. They always say actor has to be naked, actor has to be naked. अब हो गए भाई naked. कितना, I want to know from a man, how comfortable or uncomfortable does that make you also? Because I've only seen this question being asked to women, but I want to ask you this.
no, it is very difficult
Yeah.
to convince yourself to do something like this. So then there is a constant conversation that you have with the character that you're playing.
Hmm.
The character has to convince you, okay, this is the requirement of this scene and it is my requirement, it's not you.
Hmm.
So if I convince myself through my character that it's not me, it's the character, it's Veer, it's not Pratik, then I actually become comfortable. And you have to have that conversation multiple times till the time you become Veer and audience will see only Veer. And nobody will say, Pratik ne kya kiya. No, it's not them. No, it's different.
It's a character.
Yeah, it's a character.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that I'll have to go to that level of layer where it works for me. Otherwise, it's difficult.
I kept thinking of the human beings behind, you know, the actors and the characters, because maybe there's a familiarity, maybe I know you all. And I know that it has taken each of you, you know, something different in this film to put yourself out there. And I think both of you have done that. And very few films give the opportunity to both. You know, that is also the win of the film. The film itself, guys, I must say, is an absolute riot. It was so fun going in, and it kept me in splits throughout. But what I loved about it is the humor. And I just think that, Yami, you surprised us by just your ability of, I don't know, you played one of us, Mumbai girls. Yeah. And there is, we don't want to reveal much, but in the trailer itself, we see there is a whole part where you're a foul-mouthed Mumbai girl. And it's a departure from who you are as a person, I'm sure. How does that work for you? Gali सीखनी पड़ी?
it was a big departure. But arrival also at the same time. Just after the director said cut. सीखने मतलब I think softly तो बहुत time से सीख रहे हैं क्योंकि सुनते रहते हैं. So I think
Have you ever been to
passive. passive.
Have you ever been to Juhu Beach on a Sunday evening?
No, even when I was
Just-
new in Mumbai, मैं तो
Yeah.
तभी जाती थी जब बिल्कुल खाली होता था. मेरी फोटो भी है, मैं और मेरी मम्मी with just one photographer.
हाँ नहीं वहाँ
करके.
पे फ्री फंड में
And-
श्रीखंड की गालियाँ पड़ती
हाँ,
रहती है. You're just walking और सारी
But
गालियाँ
not
सुन.
only beach, anywhere you go.
Anyway,
Yeah,
but
that's true, no?
मैं चंडीगढ़ से भी हूँ ना.
Hmm,
मुझे पता है.
hmm.
तो वो सेक्शन भी अलग है.
Correct.
वो भी
Love language है वो तो.
हाँ. कोई भी कहीं से किसी से कम नहीं है.
Galis are our love
Love
language.
language.
बिल्कुल.
And अगर आप यूपी साइड चले जाओ, like Bala was,
yeah.
you know, that world. There's a word that my character uses in a very emotional scene where I'm confronting him, and he's there to take me back home, and I say da 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 da, I can't, and you know, and there's a word that I use in the end. That's a gali for me, but not for her, and that's exactly what I had to do. I don't even think like every time there would be I would stop at that word. Every time I would stop at that word, and I had to constantly tell myself, no, this is not she's not abusing him. She's just saying it. So it has to come as a part of conversation versus a gali. So you have to understand the sur of the gali and sur of the
बिल्कुल.
film. Koel is all out. She is who she is.
Correct.
She's unapologetic. While we have seen characters, स्पेशली कोई अगर फिल्म चलती है ना उसके 20 और ऐसे आप वेरिएशंस देख लेंगे कि यू नो आउटस्पोकन गर्ल एंड मे बी अ टोटली डिफरेंट बॉय बट दैट इज नॉट was just the idea. If you actually see the film, since you've seen the film, it is very different. It's much more than that. And gali is not to underline anything. आपको कभी भी गाली सुनाई नहीं देगी audience को.
Hmm.
There's music over it, right?
Correct.
It is only what's coming on my face, and his reaction is what is making it funny. So
That's true.
every time I went to Aditya a night prior. I said, listen Aditya, it's not coming on my zuban. और
Really?
मुझे लगा था मैं कुछ gibberish बना दूंगी, you know, I'll just say something. I'd heard
Hmm.
कि ऐसा करते हैं आप कि आपको लगेगा गाली है, but actually I'm saying a word which is made up.
Hmm.
That फिर फाइनली मैंने अपने मन में ऐसा सोचा and I said okay to Aditya. हाँ okay ठीक है. I'm convinced because that is important for the character. The next day now the director is stuck because every time I'm saying gibberish he's like ये क्या है?
Hmm.
तो I said
Hmm.
मेरी लैंग्वेज है मैंने बनाई करेक्ट नहीं से नहीं you have to Yami because it's looking fake.
Sorry मैम गाली देना ही
हाँ,
है.
अब
Okay.
मुझे कहीं ना कहीं पता है कि I think it must be looking fake, but मैं नहीं अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो इमोशन दिखा रहे. He said Yami it is looking fake, trust me आप एक बार दो ना. He came up with some 20 options and I'm like I was veer for that minute कि यार मतलब मैं कहाँ देखूँ कब जा सकती हूँ मैं अपने मैं गंगा स्नान करने कब मैं अपने माइंड में वो स्केड्यूल बना रही हूँ अपना.
Love
And
it.
then you know he was like यामी सिर्फ मैं सुन रहा हूँ और सिर्फ डायरेक्टर ने हेडसेट में इट्स ओके ना अदरवाइज बार आप
Cute.
करना पड़ेगा. And I'm like यार मतलब होता है ना कि literally that deep breath ready. And then टक. And जो दादा कहीं कोने में ऐसे बोरी के पीछे सोए होंगे I'm sure everyone
Yummy
has
ma'am.
spoken up.
Yummy ma'am.
क्योंकि गाली कंसल्टेंट तो ऐसे थे सेट पे कोई गाली हो कोई स्मोकिंग शॉट हो अरे
हम सिखाएंगे.
मैडम हम
You know, I do want to take a minute before we go to talk about, you know, allowing your female lead to truly lead. And I think ये उस script की भी requirement है. Script की requirement एक चीज होती है प्रतीक, but I just feel like you have to also make that possible on set. And I know that sure, like, you know, she's here, Aditya's here. Literally, you know, you're walking into a film that they're making. But does it take something different to do that or allow your female lead to lead?
No, yaar, I don't think so. It is that difficult if you think
Thank
about the
you.
film. And it's not about male or female. It's about your co-actor and about the film and about the scene.
Mm.
If the scene requires both the actors or all the actors to perform in certain way, then I guess it's the basic job description of an actor to help the other actor make the scene better. That's it. I mean, that's how I don't know any other way.
Yeah, this neo masculinity that जिसका प्रतीक गांधी है, मुझे मजा आ रहा है because you know it takes a lot for a male actor to turn around and portray himself, okay, in the way that Veer's character is, which is I'm not the guy who's macho at this point. And Pratik, you've done that consistently with your performances. Even with a Madgaon, I saw shades. I wouldn't say the two characters are anything like each other,
Yeah.
but they're just quirky. They're eccentric, and they're also not typically, your male hero. And I'm enjoying watching you in these roles.
But we see these kind of people around us every day.
True, true.
These characters
But
come
not in
from
cinema.
the society, right?
Mm.
And I guess that's the reason it works for me also
True.
as an audience.
Yeah.
If I see some characters like this, I can relate. to it.
Relate.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
the relatability is higher.
Absolutely.
You know, I'm sorry, I'll cut you here. It's interesting that you pointed this, and all points to Prateek for this. Very few actors understand this. I know what you're trying to say. It's not about making we both protagonists of the film. I mean, I don't have any other way of thinking that it's us. But when I think of that era where there was a Sita or Geeta, Hema ji double role, and at the same time you have two lead. It's not about being macho also or not being macho, but two leading men of that time, the Dharmender ji and the Sanjeev Kumar ji. Now come to 90s and see a Chalbaz where you have Shri Devi ji, you have Rajni sir, you have Sunny sir, and the film is Chalbaz and the film is called Sita Geeta. Tell me, who will do this today? There
Yeah.
is, and see, not liking a role is something different. If you don't like the part, it's absolutely okay. But would my contemporaries or my age male actors would do a film with me where they know this is
जहाँ मैं कर रही हूँ double role.
I'm saying double
Or
role
whatever,
now,
yeah,
but
of
anything.
course.
But if they feel they're not getting to do that take maybe I
Be
would
the
say the
hero.
front seat or be the hero that they think they are, right?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so.
I
But look
completely
at that time now. Look
Yeah.
at that time. And today
Yeah.
we're talking about
Yeah.
modern cinema and we're
Modern
trying to do
times,
something
yeah.
different. We're trying to because I hear these terms. I'm trying to push the envelope. I'm trying to do something different. I'm trying to do this. But very few people have the understanding to pick up a role for what it is and deliver their best and shine through. That takes, I feel, a great deal of courage and the foresightedness of मुझे character पकड़ना है.
बिल्कुल.
बाकी वो चीजें वो they're all byproducts of what I'm doing.
I completely understand. I also want to say at this point, the South is doing that even today. Whether it's a Fahad Fasil, whether it's a Mammootty sir, they are going and destroying that hyper-masculine norm. जहाँ पर इस वक्त hyper-masculine फिल्में dominate कर रही है box office. And that's why I think, Pratik, I want to acknowledge what you're doing at this point because it's lovely. And thank you for doing it.
you.
So really, it's really lovely. We must play the quickest game in the world before I go. Because बहुत सारी serious बातें होगी. Are you ready? Okay, one each. 3 songs you hear at a wedding and you have 5 seconds.
3 songs I hear at a wedding. एक तो
Out.
गौरी राधा ने
Out. 5 seconds है तुम्हारी पास है.
Oh.
3 things you can't leave home without.
Of course, my phone. I try and
Out.
take my
5 seconds. 5 seconds. It's the 5
So I
second
literally
game.
my phone. I think these days, nothing else. I have all
that's
baby things. I think in my bag.
तो आंसर्स भी शॉर्ट रखने पड़ेंगे 5
हाँ,
सेकंड में.
टक सोचना है. 3 फिल्में जो आपकी फेवरेट है 5 सेकंड में.
अंदाज अपना हेरा फेरी एंड वेलकम.
Not bad at all. 3 actors you worked with.
Prateek Gandhi, Vikrant Masi, and
Time's up.
Roshan.
3 dishes you love to eat in 5 seconds.
હાંડવો, ઢોકળા અને ઊંધિયું.
That was the. I mean,
3 things you'll find in your bedroom.
water, clock, and
Bed.
हाँ bed. फिर से होगा प्रतीक. अरसद भाई जाने के हो.
3 Netflix series you watch in 5 seconds.
अभी लास्ट ब्लैक वारंट. यार 1 मिनट, इतना जल्दी नाम ही याद नहीं आएगा मुझे.
Time is up. 3 people you call the most, Yami, in 5 seconds.
Mummy, Aditya, and Surili.
Okay, Surili is
My sister,
your sister. 3
Who's very close to Koel.
who's very close to
Oh,
me.
lovely.
Roughly based on 2 incidents.
3 places in Mumbai where you shot Dhoom Dham.
गोरेगांव रेलवे स्टेशन एंड साउथ बॉम्बे. गोरेगांव में 2 जगह शूट किया
Yeah,
हमने इसलिए.
true. Gorega railway station.
And this is
That
for
was
you,
fun.
Pratik, the last one. 3 pieces of women's clothing.
शर्ट पैंट एंड टी शर्ट.
Absolutely fair. That was a
अभी कुछ
no-brainer.
बचा ही नहीं है वैसा उनका डिफरेंट.
Exactly. That was a no-brainer.
उनको क्यों मेल बनना है मुझे नहीं पता यार. उनके पास इतने अच्छे कपड़े हैं.
इतने अच्छे कपड़े हैं. Skirt भी है. We have vests also, and we have
Nice.
jumpsuits
Yeah,
also.
today I
हाँ
want
यार.
to be very feminine.
Today you
so
want to
I-
be feminine. But guys, what a fabulous chat. You know, we went from talking about really, important things to really fun things. But that's exactly what your film's like. So this chat for me had to echo the theme of your film. And that's what your film is. Because your film in the वो कहते हैं ना कि कॉमेडी के आड़ में आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बता दी हमें एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई विल टेक बैक फ्रॉम धूमधाम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग दिस फिल्म
Thank you
एंड आई
so
होप दैट
much.
द ऑडियंसेस लव इट.
Our film Dhoomdham is releasing on Netflix on 14th of February. And whatever that you've just heard talking to Rohini, the film is all about that and much more. So, with your loved one, with the whole family, enjoy this Valentine's with this Dhoomdham.
Dhoom Dham, 14 February. Please watch.
Oh, cute as hell. Thank you so much for talking to me, guys.
Thank you.
you.
Just